I'm Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Assembly candidate, and I'm back in Ely again today. And this is another example of the Labour Party's neglect of this area. This property's been empty for almost 12 months. I'm told by residents that it's been like this for that amount of time. So come in and have a look, yeah? Come on. Well, if you look at the black bags there, this rubbish. If you look all around the garden, all over here. Come and have a look over here. You know, this is an absolute disgrace, and this is another message to Cardiff Council: get this property sorted out and get it cleaned. It's been like this for 12 months. You've got people in the area living next to this. It's not at all acceptable. And I want to point out the front door. Just go and have a look at the front door. Okay, if you come this way, by here, right, you can all see the front door is open. Okay, so it's been broken into. People are going into the property. They're using it for whatever they're using it for, and it's simply not fair on the residents who live around this house. Also in Ely, there's case after case after case of families wanting housing, and this has been empty for how long? So, final message today: Cardiff Council, get this sorted out, please. We're on the case and we want something done. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.